Okay, everybody, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel, or Big Al. Got a challenge locking device called, I want to say it's Diomedes, or Diomedes, I think it's Diomedes, by West Coast Picks. And by the way, if you can hear that cricket, I apologize. It's actually right outside the window over there. And I just tried banging on the window to try to get it to shut up, and it won't shut up, so we're gonna have to deal with it. Excuse me. So, any hoodles. Like I said, Diomedes by West Coast Picks. That's how I got it. And there's the, whoops, there's the bidding on the key. Pretty badass. Pretty nice. Lock does work, as you would expect. And I gotta tell you, this is actually my second attempt to get it on camera. I have never, the first attempt a few minutes ago was an epic fail, which was my first attempt at this lock at all. So here goes attempt number 2. I mean, I had it into a, got it into a nice false set, and then it just stopped cooperating. So see if we can't get it any farther this time. See, we get a nice little false set. A little better. We know by the bidding on the key that there's a high one in the back, so I'll be using this high hook, I guess, from the SS Dev to try to get that one in the back, which is a real treat, I'll tell you what. Might have got it, not positive. Felt good. Yeah, 'cause I think there's that last attempt that I just had. It feels like there's something cut really high, and that I just couldn't get it. Just couldn't get it to go. It's like it was so close and yet so far. that awkward place. All right. Feels like it went high enough, but I don't know. Let me try this other pick again. Yep, here we go again. It just kind of wants to die right there. Doesn't want to do much more than that. Cut really, really high. Yep. This keyway is really, really tough to navigate. Oh, a little deeper there. Make sure I got that one in the back. Again. And stay under it. Like trying to thread a needle blind. Lost that false set too. Okay. Where you at, baby? Not 2. Maybe 3. Really hard to get that one in the back. Really tough. It felt good, but we're still stuck on something here. It's not 2. That was an overset on 2. Just have a feeling I'm not getting 5 high enough, but that's the tallest pick that I have that can get back there. Yep. Oh, tell you what. That's not working. I cannot get it to go. It's like the pick is, or the pin is just literally stuck. There we go. 4. 5. Yep, I just can't get it high enough, I don't think. I've given it all she's got, Captain. Negative. Unbelievable. It doesn't want to move with that thin pick. Alright, come on. Number 5. Bring it home. Good golly, Miss Molly. That'll work. Okay, let me get zoomed back. I beat the crap out of that pick just now. Okay, let's see what we got in this beast of burden right here by West Coast Picks. Diomedes. Let's see what we got in Diomedes. Alright, bada boom, bada bing. With the white penny tray this time. Where are we at? Let's go over here. Down a little bit. Alright, so we got it open. We got a key so we can lock it back up and get this thing off the back here. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Just like that. Tell you what, those things paid for themselves already. Hell yeah, they did. Alright, let me get this rotated over here. Get a shim in there if we can. Alright. Yep, they all needed picking. Let's see what we got. Alright, eyes on. Get these spun around here. Like that. We've got no mods in the core, so that was pretty straightforward. No mods. No mods. Thought I saw something there for a quick minute. Alrighty. See what we got. Where we at? Right here. We've got nice little reduced diameter, almost T-pinish type combobulation. And 2. Nice. Kind of like one of them. What was that, a 2-piece? No. Almost like a, I think they're called Assa or barrel pins, but the on this one here, it's they're actually deeper serrations, but I think same idea. Nice. That's a little spool action going there. And again, kind of a double, almost double spooled or serrated. I run out of names for some of these pins. I don't really know how to describe them. That's why I'd rather just, okay, that was in there like this. It looks like it could have went either way. Oh yeah, I see why. It's a spool, but it's also T-pinned right there on top, so that's why it went that way. Alright, that spring. Bada boom, bada bang. And I don't think there's nothing done up here, but I'll check just for the record. Nope. Nothing done in the Bible. Okay. That was one hell of a lock right there, man. Diomedes by West Coast Picks. Let's bring this over here and bring the camera down so we can look at the pins nice and flat. Like so. Alrighty. We've got a double serrated key pin in number 1. Pretty much same thing in number 2. A serrated in number 3, but it's kind of T-pinned, I would call that. 4 triple serrated, a 5 double serrated. Drivers, I'd call this a serrated T-pin because, I mean, really this is smaller than that, so it is reduced. And then this one here is kind of like one of them barrel pins, but it's deeper, so I guess double serrated. 3 is this spooled combobulation. 4, I call that almost spooled like, but it's serrated right here. I mean, really, when the serrations are that wide, you can go with spool. And then this one here, number 5, definitely a spool, but it's got this nice freaking little T-pin right here at the bottom to catch. That worked out pretty damn good. That's what was holding me up. Probably put a little bend in my pick getting that sucker. And then the springs, looks like steel. Yep. So I'm just going to guess steel, copper, copper. Alright, that's what we got. Diomedes from West Coast Picks. I highly appreciate it, and I believe K1 Lock sent this to me, so thank you so much. Alright everybody, that's it. Big Al signing out.